Mouse, a device that controls the movement of the cursor or pointer on a display screen. A mouse is a small object you can roll along a hard, flat surface. Its name is derived from its shape, which looks a bit like a mouse, its connecting wire that one can imagine to be the mouse's tail, and the fact that one must make it scurry along a surface. Types of mouse: roller mouse, optical mouse, touchpad. Components of roller mouse: 1. Switch detects clicks of left mouse button. 2. Switch for middle button. 3. Switch for right button. 4. Old style connection to PS to socket on computer. 5. Chip turns back and forth, analog, mouse movements into numeric, digital, signals computer can understand. 6. X-axis wheel turns when you move mouse left and right. 7. Y-axis wheel turns when you move mouse up and down. 8. Heavy rubber wheel. 9. Spring presses rubber ball firmly against X and Y axis wheels so they register movements properly. 10. Electrolytic capacitor. 11. Resistors. Working of roller mouse. A mouse contains a rotating ball with two rollers held at right angles to each other which touch the ball. The rollers register the X and Y axis movements of the ball. Each roller is attached to an optical encoder, a disc which has gaps in its surface. The rotation of the encoder interrupts to beams of light between the LEDs and their detectors. These pulses of light are fed to the computer and are used to determine the speed and direction of the mouse's movement. When the mouse moves or press or release mouse buttons, the mouse circuitry sends data to the host PC, indicating what state changes have occurred since the previous state indication. Optical mouse. What is optical mouse and how it works? An optical mouse is a computer mouse which uses a light source, typically a light emitting diode, LED, and a light detector, such as an array of photodiodes, to detect movement relative to a surface. Working of optical mouse. An optical mouse works in a completely different way. It shines a bright light down onto your desk from an LED, light emitting diode, mounted on the bottom of the mouse. The light bounces straight back up of the desk into a photocell, photoelectric cell, also mounted under the mouse, a short distance from the LED. The photocell has a lens in front of it that magnifies the reflected light, so the mouse can respond more precisely to your hand movements. As you push the mouse around your desk, the pattern of reflected light changes, and the chip inside the mouse uses this to figure out how you're moving your hand. Some optical mice have two LEDs. The first one shines light down onto the desk. The light from that is picked up by the photocell. The second LED lights up a red plastic strip along the back of the mouse so you can see it's working. Most optical mice also have a wheel at the front so you can scroll pages on screen much faster. You can click the wheel too, so it functions like the third, center, button on a conventional ball mouse. Inside an optical computer mouse. An optical mouse is much more high-tech than a ball mouse. Where a ball mouse has quite a few moving parts, an optical mouse is almost entirely electronic. It has almost no moving parts. Here is the inside of a typical optical mouse and a few of the main components. The most interesting bits are in the center, where the LED light shines down onto your desk, and at the front, where button presses are detected by switches. One and LED at the back generates red light and shines it horizontally from the back of the mouse toward the front, from the left to the right of this photo. 2. A plastic light guide channels the light from the LED at an angle down onto the desk. 3. A light detector chip measures light reflected back up from the desk, converting the analog movements of your hand into digital signals that can be sent to your computer. 4. The scroll wheel at the front of the mouse is mounted on a switch mechanism that detects both how much it's rotated and whether you have pressed it. It functions like the central button of a conventional mouse. Rotations of the scroll wheel can be detected in a variety of different ways. Some mice use potentiometers, broadly, variable resistors, similar to the volume control on a radio but able to turn around multiple times. Others use various kinds of rotary switches or optical, rotary, encoders to convert analog wheel movements to digital signals. 5. A micro switch detects when you press the right mouse button. There is an identical switch on the other side to detect the left mouse button. 6. The USB cable connection carries digital information from the mouse to your computer. Touchpad. A touchpad is a simple, easy, and reasonable pointing device. It allows the users to drag their fingers along in the direction they want the mouse pointer to go. Working of touchpad. Its surface tracks the motions and pressure of a finger and correlates it to the position on screen. There are two common technologies that enable touchpads to work: capacitance and conductance. Capacitance is the most common method and enables the touchpad to hold an electrical charge. It creates two arrays, one vertical and one horizontal, and when your finger touches a spot on the touchpad, it locates the coordinates of that location. The pad sensors then convert the location from the touchpad to the location on the screen. Most new touchpads also have a function for scrolling, just as a middle mouse button does. There is a location on the touchpad called a hotspot that enables this function.